Dear viewers, today I would like to discuss about the court system in Bangladesh. Especially, I am going to discuss about the district judiciary. If you are a non-Bangladeshi or a foreigner or a law student or the general mass people, for your understanding, I will discuss what is the court system, especially the subordinate judiciary in Bangladesh. To understand the subordinate judiciary in Bangladesh, that is the district judiciary, you have to know the appointments and the general structure of the court. And you know, Bangladesh Judicial Service Commission appoints the law graduates as assistant judge. This is the entry post. This is the entry post. And as per provision of Section 3 of the Civil Courts Act 1887, there are 5 civil courts. There are 5 civil courts. Top to bottom, the Court of District Judge, the Court of Additional District Judge, Court of Joint District Judge, Court of Senior Assistant Judge, and Court of Assistant Judge. These are the basic courts. If we want to know the other courts, we have to compare those courts with this basic course. Okay. Already I told to you the entry post is the assistant judge. Whenever a person appointed as assistant judge, he shall have the sole power to dispose the civil disputes, and sometimes as a judge of family courts to dispose of the family matters. These assistant judges, whenever transferred to the district magistracy as a judicial magistrate, he shall have only power to try the criminal cases, having judicial power of sentencing the imprisonment of only 2 years imprisonment. And assistant judge, when try a civil suits, he shall have the pecuniary jurisdiction of trying a civil matters worth of taka 15 lakh. Assistant judge, whenever promoted to the post of senior assistant judge, as a senior assistant judge, he shall have only power to try the civil suits and to try family matters as a judge of the family court and nothing else. These senior assistant judges, when posted to the district magistracy as senior judicial magistrate, as a senior judicial magistrate, he shall have power to try the criminal cases only, and his power of sentencing of imprisonment is only 5 years, and the senior judicial magistrate is considered to be a first-class magistrate. And the next, this senior judicial magistrate is posted in metropolitan area, in the metropolitan magistracy. The designation will be metropolitan magistrate, and the same power and function he will exercise as a metropolitan magistrate. The third promotion of the judicial officer as a joint district judge. Whenever a judge promoted and posted as joint district judge, he shall have 2 types of powers. That is, he may dispose of civil suits and criminal cases, being the same person. As a judge of civil court, he shall have power to try any kinds of civil suits having pecuniary jurisdiction, unlimited jurisdiction. And as a judge of criminal courts, as a joint session judge, he shall have power to try any criminal cases, but in respect of punishment, he pass any sentence recognized by law, but not death penalty and imprisonment not exceeding 10 years. And at the same time, a joint district judge, a judicial officer having two types of powers, civil and criminal powers, shall have also appellate jurisdiction in civil cases, as the appeals which is made over by the district judge to him, the joint district judge shall have power to dispose of the appeals. The fourth stage, that is the joint session judge, when posted in district magistracy, the designation would be additional chief judicial magistrate. And this joint district and session judge, whenever posted in metro magistracy, the designation would be additional chief metropolitan magistrate. Additional chief metropolitan magistrate. As a joint district and session judge, in trying criminal cases, the power of the joint session judge is to pass any kinds of sentence recognized by law, not exceeding the imprisonment not exceeding 10 years, and cannot pass the death penalty. That joint session judge, whenever posted as either as additional chief metropolitan magistrate or additional chief judicial magistrate, his judicial power of sentence of imprisonment is reduced to 5 years. Because as a additional chief judicial magistrate in district magistracy or as a additional chief metropolitan magistrate in metro area, he will be considered as first class magistrate. That is why his power of sentencing of imprisonment is reduced. In the same way, this district and joint district and session judge sometimes may be posted as judge of the land survey tribunal, which deals with the cases of survey matters. Okay. Thereafter, the fourth, the promotion of the judicial officer as a additional district and session judge. Additional district and session judge, the same person try two powers, civil and criminal. As a civil judge, he shall have power to try any kinds of civil suits, and as a judge of criminal courts, that is additional session judge, he shall have power to try any kinds of cases and may pass any sentence recognized by law. But that additional district and session judge, whenever may get posting as a chief judicial magistrate in district magistracy or as a chief metropolitan magistrate in metro magistracy. In that case, again, being additional district judge, though he has unlimited judicial power, that is to pass any kinds of sentence recognized by Section 53 of the Penal Code, that is death, life, fine, forfeiture. Okay. Death, life, imprisonment, fine, forfeiture. These 5 types of punishments may be imposed by the additional district and session judge. But this additional district and session judge, whenever posted as chief judicial magistrate in district magistracy or chief metropolitan magistrate and in metropolitan area, he will be treated as a first class magistrate. At that time, his power of sentence of imprisonment is reduced to 5 years, unless he has been especially empowered under Section 29C of the CRPC. He may pass a sentence of 7 years. or sometimes to try and conviction of several offenses, combining his power, combining the power of his sentence is twice of his power. Sometimes he may sentences the accused twice of his power if he tries any person for more than one offenses. Okay, the last promotion is as a district and session judge. This is the last promotion of the judicial officer in the district level. If a judicial officer gets promotion as district and session judge, either he may act as a principal civil judge in the district, having unlimited power in respect of judicial power and function. But that district judge, whenever posted in metro area as a metro session judge, shall have the same power. The district and session judge as a principal civil judge shall have also the posting, promotion, and appointment of the staffs working under him. In the same way, the metro session judge shall have the same power of appointment, posting, and promotion of the staffs working under him. Sometimes the district and session judge, with the rank of district and session judge, some judicial officer with the rank of district and session judge works as a judge of the tribunal. For example, Nari Issue, Women and Children Oppression Prevention Tribunal, or Cyber Tribunal, or some other tribunals. The district and session judge works as a judge of the tribunal and sometimes as a chairman of the labor courts. This is the structure, power, and function of the court system in Bangladesh. I discuss here the structure of the civil courts and criminal courts at the same time, which are functioning in the district level in Bangladesh. If you have any question, please leave a comment. I will explain you. If you have any ambiguity, I have tried my level best to make it clear to you. If you have any desire to know about the district court system in Bangladesh. Thank you for watching for this video.